Usually, that's what it is. And if you don't see the truth of it, and your mind insists that no, it's not unwilling, it's just, I can't. Well, what you do then is have space around that. Have space around the fact that you cannot accept it. Have space around the anger or the hatred that you feel. It is as it is. So by saying, accept that then, it seems almost impossible. How can I accept the fact that I cannot accept? But you can. You can accept that this is how you feel, and this is what your mind is saying. And so, what can you do with that, with the anger you feel of having to be here? I'd rather be in India, not here. This is a harsh and noisy place. I hate everybody. And you're not being released. You could go to India, but for some reason you're here. I don't know the reason. But for some reason, you're not being released to go to India. If it were of overriding importance, somehow you would manage to go and live in India and be happy forever after. Now, to some people, the opposite happens. They are happy here, and when they travel to India, they can't wait to get out. And then they say, I can't accept this. It's awful. Similar, often what people learn there is they are not willing to accept it, so they suffer. So whenever that arises, I can't accept, see which statement is more true. I can't accept, or I'm not willing to accept. And if after investigation you find that I cannot is still true for you, then accept that. And whatever emotions go with it, that's what is. And then you have space around it. That space is India. That's the essence of really what India means to you, and means perhaps on a universal scale. India stands for the inner dimension, for space. America stands for, one could say, the outer, doing, getting things done, creating on the external level. So you have the two polarities. So when you have space around something, so you have India with you around it. So you could have America being contained by India. And then just a little bit of that is, at first you might not get much sense of space around it, just a little. And then you notice there's actually quite a lot of space around whatever you feel, whatever thing you react to, whatever the reaction is. There's actually quite a lot of space there. India is actually quite big. And then you come to a point where you don't need to go to India anymore because you are in India. India is here. America is there.